Hey guys, it's Sean from It's Always Something Farm. Today we're going to be starting on the corral. Yesterday we went and got the poles that we needed. As you can see, old telephone poles. You want to save money, and you're okay with not getting brand new, this is the way to go. You'll save tons of money. Just go on Marketplace, find out who has them. You can probably get them somewhere really cheap, around $1 a foot probably. So just gotta find them out there. We've already cut most of our poles up. If you're looking right down here, we're going to at our 8 feet mark. So we'll get a start on those today and start getting them in. And I'll have my little helper here today too. Hey guys, so day one's down, we're on the day two now. Got rained out yesterday, but we did get a good bit chunk done on this build here. So if you look and see, got the first one, that first side in, post in. Get the second side started. Got our gate corner ready to go. And then the rain hit us. So today we're going to be working on the rest of this. Finish the chute off. Chute this way first. Then we'll do the front part right here. Now we talked yesterday a little bit about power poles compared to regular poles, and after doing the math, we did save a lot of money compared to the brand new poles. And then also, something else I want to talk to you about is guardrails. So instead of using wood for to hold everybody in, we use guardrails. So I can buy guardrails around here for somewhere between $1 to $2.50 a foot, and those things will last a very long time. We'll be using those on these right here all the way across too. So talking about getting some things done and doing what you got, this works. You'll save a lot of money. Now if you got the money to get all brand new stuff, go for it. But we're trying to make this as economical as possible for us, but yet make it also get it done. So yes, today Mr. Chaplin will be here with us today too. What's up, buddy? What's up, big boy? We had them all pinned up yesterday, but now, well, they're all over here today. So, but let's see what we can get done today. All right, guys, real quick. Putting the head gate in real quick, so I want to show you something. Not doing it a conventional way. As you can see, I don't have both posts up ready to go. But I had to make sure I can get this lagged in here properly, so that the chute looks straight ahead and everything's lined up. And how did I get it straight? I forgot my level. My phone has a level on it too, so I put the phone on there, check the levels. We were going to use lags going all the way through, but we were going to use carriage bolts all the way through. Ended up using lags because my carriage bolts were not long enough for this post. But as you can see, one on there is still fine. So I will say this also: these things come in very handy, a little expensive, but they're great for everything you do. So impact gun, just saying. But I just want to let you guys know you can do this without the 4x4s or 6x6s. You can do them with circular posts. As long as you put them even, right here, the gate can open up all the way. You got more than enough room for everything to go through. Okay, day two and we're done. A little bit wore out right now. So we did get all the posts except for one end today. If I had remembered to get the rest of the screws and bolts that we needed, carriage bolts, we've been done today. But I thought it happens. But we did get the post in, as I said. We got our first part right here in. We got one more level to go with the guardrail. Got our gate in. Got our quick release latches in. I'm glad I saw that on one of y'all's videos. Thank you. We got our head gate in too, which I thought was going to be harder, but it's not. actually went in real pretty easy. All we gotta do is make sure when you do this is that you line up these edges right here. This edge right here with your post, and then make your mark and make your screw holes and your lags in, and everything lines right up the way you need it to. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and finish this side here. Then we'll start putting the guardrails up. We'll get a little video of some guardrails, show you what we do with that, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Somebody wanted their morning lovings. Well, we got it done. You can see now we got the corral all finished up. Took us an extra day, but we did get it. 30 by 30 with our chute on the side. As you can see, we use guardrails for our posts. We will be putting a top rail, a 2 by 8, probably about a 2 by 10 or 2 by 8. I'm going to put some little designs so I can put them on the rails up here, top rail, on all sides. But other than that, we're there. As you can see, load in. Far side over there, you can see where the chute opens up on the far side over there, and comes down right here, the head gate. I have a scale coming. So we'll put the scale right here where the head chute's at. We'll have that pretty much done here around a week. But if you go with the guardrails, I would suggest lag bolts. Lag bolts work the best. I had carriage bolts I was using because I had a bunch of them free. It took a little bit longer, but they'll last forever. But if you use the lag bolts right there, put a screw right there, whatever distance from your hole to here. That way it holds it up for you. Now you have to just push against, have somebody hold it up there. Easy peasy. Just drill your hole and you're done. These latches, forgive me, I'll put them in the description below. These things are amazing. I love these things. They're so much easier than the chains that we had. But this was an undertaking. Make a big deal for us down the road here. We also put another gate in under the barn. That way we can get in and get out with equipment, the chicken coops and the chicken tractors. But if you guys got any questions or anything that you see here you want to explain more, just ask. I'll be more than happy to let you all know.